Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share one workflow for automatically creating cover posters suitable for Way Media. It is used in both video and graphic content. I don't want to waste time on this either, so today I manually created a workflow. The main tools used are the Big Banana and ZDuo 4.5 models. Before explaining this workflow, let's first talk about the issue of color series. Yesterday I received a warning from the platform. 所以 on RunningHub, color series or applications requiring decoding, I have deleted them all. Otherwise, my account will be banned. When I have time in the future, I will log in again with a new account. Friends who want to play, just pay attention to it. This account on the RunningHub platform. Originally, these applications, I played it a few months ago. Incidentally made. I don't want to update this kind of app anymore. Those who enjoy playing, go ahead and play. Now, let me share with you what I want to share today. This works for automatically creating cover posters. It is also very easy to use. Just follow the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 as I have listed here. Fill out all the required information. Then you can run it. First, the first step is to upload a favorite poster image. For example, this one. Then the second step, upload the character image or a background image. Step 3, fill in the API key. 2 items need to be filled in here. The first is third-party API. You can go to the website to obtain it. After opening, register an account first. If you already have an account, create directly on the token side. Add a token. Pick a name at random. Then it is necessary to group the token channels here. Here, let's delete the original one first. Then let's explore this premium channel of Gemini. Click Submit and copy this key. Just fill it out here. Below is the Volcano API key. First, register an account on the website, and here we will first open the service for the visual model ZDuo 4.5 because I have already passed the verification, so there is no need to open it. After it is opened here, copy it from the API key management section. If you don't have an API key, you need to create one first. After creation, copy the API key here. Come back here to fill in after the copy is done. After filling in the API key, then proceed to the fourth step. Select the platform you want to call. I have preset 3 values on my side. The first one is dedicated to the RunningHub platform. If you have this workflow, if it is called on the RunningHub platform, it is possible to choose one. If you are using it on a local computer, don't choose one because it is dedicated to the RunningHub platform. And the node below here is also, if you don't have it on your local computer, you can directly block it, then just connect the above parts together. If you choose 2 here, the invoke third-party API, if the value is 3, it is to call the API of ZDuo 4.5. Because new registration comes with a free gift of 200 images, so I also recommend it. After all, it is better to take advantage of the free benefit. Then, after filling out this part, select the aspect ratio of the final image. I have annotated the values here. You go and choose the aspect ratio of the image you need. That will do. The 6th step is to fill in the text content. What text do you want to write on the picture? Just to fill it out, please. Why are the 3 fields to fill in here? The main reason is to separate these words. For example, here, this picture of mine is a screenshot from Banana, Lazy Man's Gospel. Just 1 line. Then the automatic production of cover posters is also a line. The final key is also free of charge. He is just another character. They won't be connected in a string. The entire workflow is not complicated. Operated. I have also filled in the form according to the steps. I suggest being able to use it on RunningHub. Still use it on RunningHub because RunningHub offers 5 free gifts every day. The invocation of the banana model. Even if it is used up, the 5 complimentary tickets are also priced at 1 cent each. Relatively speaking, it is quite cheap. Compared to calling other third-party APIs, it should also be cheap. Additionally, for those who wish to deploy locally, it may require the installation of some nodes before it can run. You need to operate it yourself. I will also deploy this workflow on the RunningHub platform. For those who need to download, you can do so in the workflow. That is it for today's sharing. Thank you all.